Hi friends, good morning to basic electrical engineering వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ చార్జ్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ physical property of matter that causes it to experience of a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. It is also called electrical charge or electrostatic charge. There are two types of charges, namely positive charges and negative charges, protons and electrons. Like charges repel one another, and unlike charges attract one another. Unit of charge Q is coulomb, C or ampere second. 1 coulomb charge equals to 6.24 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons, or 625 into 10 to the power of 16 electrons, or 0.625 into 10 to the power of 19. 1 electron E equals to 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Properties of electric charge. Additive of electric charge. The total charge of a system is the algebraic sum of all individual charges distributed over different parts of the system. Conservation of electric charge. The total charge of an isolated system remains constant during any process. Charge can be transferred from one body to another, but it can neither created nor destroyed. Quantization of electric charge. Any charged body has a total charge that is an integral multiple of a certain smallest amount of charge E. Electric current. It is defined as the time rate at which charges flows through a surface area, or rate of flow of electric charge is called electric current. The direction of electric current is taken to be in the direction of flow of positive charge. I equals to dq by dt, that equals to q by t, that equals to charge by time. Electric current is scalar quantity. The unit of electric current is ampere or coulomb per second. 1 ampere equals to 1 CS inverse. That is nothing but coulomb per second. Electrical potential. The electric potential, a point, is the electric potential energy per unit charge. V equals to electric potential energy per charge, that equals to W by Q. SI unit of energy is joules. 1 joule per coulomb is called 1 volt. Drift velocity. The average velocity of the charge carriers moving under the influence of the electric field. The value of drift velocity of free electrons is very small compared to thermal velocity 10 to the power of minus 5 meters per second. I equals to NQVDA, where I is the electric current, N is the number of charge carriers per unit volume, A is the surface area, Q is the charge carriers, VD is the drift velocity. Current density at any point in a vector whose magnitude is the electric current per unit cross-sectional area and whose direction is normal to the cross-sectional area. J equals to I by A. Unit of current density is amperes per meter square. Electrical components. Active components. Any device or components have a unidirectional functioning is called active components. It can introduce energy. Example: voltage source, current source. Electronic components like BJT, MOSFET, UJT, SCR, DIAC, TRIAC, FET. Passive components. Any device or component does not have unidirectional function. It cannot introduce energy. Resistor, capacitors, inductors, transformers. Electrical units. Charge, coulombs or AS. Current, amperes. Current density, ampere per meter square. Resistance, ohm. Resistivity, ohm meter. Conductance, Siemens or ohm. Conductivity, Siemens per meter or ohm per meter. Quantity of electricity, ampere hour. Voltage, joule per coulomb or volts. Force, Newton. Pressure, Pascal. Velocity, meter per second. Volume, meter cube. Dimension formulas. Quantity formula. Force, L per T. Pressure, ml per T square. Power, ml square per T cube. Frequency, T inverse. Electric charge, Ti. Resistance, ml square T to the power of minus 3 I to the power of minus t. Capacitance, m power minus 1 L power minus 2 T power 4 I square. Inductance, m L square T power minus 2 I power minus 2. Magnetic flux, ml square T to the power of minus 2 I to the power of minus 1. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియో ఎక్కడితో ఎండ్ చేస్తున్నాను. కంటిన్యూషన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ బేసిక్గా కొన్ని చిన్నవి ఇచ్చారనమాట. ఇవి మోస్ట్లీ ఎగ్జామ్లో రిపీట్ అయినవే. 1 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అందరికి తెలిసిందే 1.60 × 10⁻⁻19 C. ఛార్జ్కి యూనిట్స్ వచ్చేసి కూలంబు. ఇంకా SI యూనిట్స్ ఫర్ ఎనర్జీ ఇస్ జౌల్స్. ఇవి చిన్నవి అనమాట, బేసిక్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. కరెంట్కి యాంపియర్స్. ఇలాంటి చిన్నవి ఇవి వీడియోస్లో వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కవర్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. పూర్తి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్లో చూద్దాం, ముందు కాన్సెప్ట్ అయిపోతే. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాము. అంతవరకు బాయ్.